welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I just thought I'd show you my finished blossom tree. I've been meaning to post this video for ages, but it's been getting the house to myself that's been the problem. So I've kicked the kids out. So this is the blossom tree diamond painting. This is currently in my front room for a sneaky peek. And this was put into an IKEA frame. I will link the frame below, but the frame came flat packed, so it doesn't have a backing. If you're going to do the same frame, don't do all of the diamond painting in exactly the same size. You do have to get the size that I did, which I will also link below, but you need a few rows less diamonds to make it clip into the frame. So basically it clips in like a canvas, but of course the diamonds get in the way. So just to show you it in detail, so you can see that it is all diamonds. But yeah, we did have to take quite a few diamonds off to be able to fit it in this frame, but I think it was well worth it. So yeah, this is a clip IKEA frame. I got it in the silver. I've got a feeling they do another colour, but I'm not sure. But this has, in my opinion anyway, made a nice dramatic piece for the back of the couch. And I've not sealed it. I've not had any problems with diamonds falling off at all, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like. Definitely a big plus for this company for me. But yeah, I think it looks really good in that frame. I like it as a nice dramatic piece on the back of the couch or behind the couch. And yeah, so that is the blossom tree. As I say, I'll put the link to both the frame and the painting that I got in the description. I'll also pop the size that I did get, because if you do want to repeat this and do it in the same frame, you will need the size that I got, but you will need to leave some of the edges with no diamonds for it to fit in, and that part you're best measuring and going from there. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.